Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we got a sneakers, a rare sneakers W for you guys. Y'all already see the box, and y'all already know what time it is, what type of vibes it is for the video. But before we get up into this content, man, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit that like button. Make sure you got the notification bell turned on as I drop more and more videos like this and so much more for you guys. I appreciate it. 20K, we almost there, man, because of you guys. Thank you guys. Love you guys. Now, we talk about sneakers that we get W's on that we often don't get on a sneakers app, but when we do get those ones, those rare gems, huge shout out to my girl Sneakerheads Dreads over on IG for securing your boy this pair. It's great when you just build a community, you build connections. It was her birthday on the release day, so happy belated birthday to her. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open up these things together. So as you guys can see right here, we do have that Nike Travis Scott box right here, man. Here's the size tag and everything right here. So when it comes to Air Jordan 1 lows, I always go half a size down because it just fits better in my opinion. But we're going to go ahead and open these things up. As you guys can see right here, we're going to check out this top right here. And you do have that Travis Scott paper, that pink and black Air Jordan Travis Scott logo, all that stuff. We're going to open up this paper, put this paper up, put this paper down right here. And we do have the Air Jordan 1 low Travis Scott medium olives, man. Let me go ahead and take these things out the box. Super clean. And I'll show you what the quality control sticker is on this box. But as you guys can see right here, here's a sneaker. Fire. And I do think these things are going to go up in value, and we're going to definitely talk about that. But we're going to sit these things right here. And let me show you guys that we do have a quality control sticker in this box, as you guys can see right here. So that's what the quality control sticker is. We're gonna put this paper away and gonna put the box right here because we ain't here to look at the box. And we're gonna sit one of these sneakers here. And as you guys can see right here, as we take a look at this sneaker, super clean sneaker. You have the traditional Travis Scott 1 low silhouette model, and we're just gonna do a quick 360 on this sneaker just to kind of show you guys before we actually get up into a little detailed look on it when we talk about quality and all that stuff. But as you guys can see, super fire. Now, a lot of people have been asking me, do I think that this sneaker is better than the ones that you see on the screen, which are just like the olives? That was the ladies' versions. And I'm gonna say they're about the same to me. You know, just take away the green, put the black. They're about the same. You know, if you got either one of them, because it's kind of hard to get Travis Scott's. So if you got either one of them, it's a win. You feel what I'm saying? So it really doesn't matter. But as we take a look at this sneaker, you guys can see right there, we got the Nike swoosh right there, and it is always great leather. Nike never slip when it comes to Travis Scott quality. They never ever slip. So we got the black Nike swoosh, and we had the medium. We have the olive side panel right there. And as you guys can see right here, look at that. Super good material, man. And the stroke motion is there. We go ahead and go to the tongue. As you guys see the tongue, we have that Nike Air on the tongue, that medium olive colorway on the tongue right there, nylon tongue. And then you have the Cactus Jack hitting right there. We go all the way down. We go to the toe box. As you guys can see right here, like I said, look at that, man. Super plush, real good material on the toe box when it comes to that. Even the leather quality, as you guys can see, that white and the leather quality is real good. The vintage outsole going all the way around it, and like I said, the Nike swoosh, the material super tumbled on there. This is the left one. As you guys can see on the back of the left one, we do have that Cactus Jack logo on the back of the left one. And then going on the inner side of the shoe, they do hit us with that Cactus Jack in red with the standard Nike swoosh right there. This one does come on this one. It does come with the pink laces in this one, and then you have the white wax laces in this one. The pink laces feel waxed also, so both laces are waxed, and they do come in a box. So if you want to legit check anything, they do come in a box. And then as we go to the right sneaker, we'll start with the back. We have the Wings logo on the back, the Air Jordan Wings logo on the back of these. Like I said, the leather on them is real good, vintage outsole. Going around the toe box, going around the outer side of the shoe, same exact thing right here. On this tongue, we have the Nike Air with the Cactus Jack as well, medium olive on the tongue. Toe box, same thing. On the inner side of the shoe, the exact same thing as the left shoe. And then for these right here, they do give us the black laces, and they do come in the Nike box as well. No bags, just boxes on these sneakers. You feel what I'm saying? Then on the inside, we do have the Travis Scott on the insole on this one. And then on this one, we do have the Cactus Jack with the Jumpman logo. Bottom of the sneaker, as you guys can see right here, is that olive green. Nothing major about it, just super clean. Like I said, these sneakers are fire, and I'm so glad I was able to add them to the collection. Now, as far as the sneaker go, as we talk about resale and stuff like that, I think they're currently sitting around 600 bucks. I think they're currently sitting around 450, 600 bucks. And I don't think these are going to do like the canary yellows. You know, the canary yellows are sitting around 500 max. You probably can get a better deal than that on them. I do think these sneakers will be in the $800 to $1,000 price point. Just give it like 3 or 4 months, because this is a very good sneaker. You can wear this with a lot of different colors, and this is a very neutral, and this is like a fall type sneaker as well. So I feel like the more neutral tones and stuff like that, they do well. Just like the Black Phantoms, everybody said they hated the material on those things, but right now the Black Phantoms are at the $1,000 mark in all sizes pretty much. So y'all let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions about this sneaker? Were you able to hit on it? This was a lot of stock for this one, allegedly, but I know a lot got backdoored. But I did see a lot of people that I know that actually was able to hit on these. But y'all comment down below and let me know, what are your thoughts and opinions about the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott Low medium olive, man. I appreciate you guys tapping in as always. Y'all know the saying, man, rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers right here, are just bait. A way for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.